Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home as well as you're rocking, you're doing the study, you're reading the lessons, isn't it or no? If you're not doing, then do it, okay? Cause already we have started our syllabus, okay? Once again, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, can anybody tell me what we had learned in the last session? Yes, try to tell me. Yes, in the last session, we had learned lesson number 2, that is my body, and in that lesson we had learned what? Body parts and their names, uses of body parts, then yes, fingers and their names. Afterwards, what we had learned? Correct. Parts of face, their names, and last we had learned what? Sense organs. Correct. Do you know what is meant by sense organs? Have you learned the spellings of body parts, their uses, fingers, their names? Yes or no? Have you learned? Okay, very good. If you have learned, then very good. So, we will take short preview of last session, whatever we had learned in that session. Okay. In the last session, we had learned parts of face. So, which are the parts of face? See, this is forehead, neck, eyes, ears, nose, cheeks, mouth, and below the mouth, chin is there. These all are parts of face. Which are the parts of face? Forehead, eyes, ears, nose, cheeks, mouth, and chin. See, with the help of mouth, what do? Yes, you eat, you talk, and you grin. Grin means to give a broad smile. Correct. Very good, children. And next, sense organs. So, how many sense organs are there in our body? Yes, there are 5 sense organs in our body. Which are those 5 sense organs? Eyes, correct. Eyes, ear, nose, skin, and tongue. These are the 5 sense organs that we had learned in last session. And also we had learned their uses or how they are helpful to us. So, once again I will repeat how they are useful to us. See, eyes, with the help of eyes, we can see each and everything around us. Means the things, their color, their shapes, and their size, only because of our eyes. Next, ears. We hear with our ears. Correct. Next, we smell with our nose. We feel with our skin, and we taste with our tongue. Got it, children? Very good. Now, today we will solve some question answers based on this lesson. Have you opened the page? Very good. Take your pencil in your hand and now listen to me carefully. Whatever the questions I will read, listen it carefully and try to give me the answers. Okay. See question A. Have you opened this page? Very good. See, things you know. Question A is, choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. What we have to do here? We have to fill in the blanks with correct words. Here see, one help box is given and in that help box answers are given, means words are given. From those words we have to choose the correct word and we have to fill in this blank. Okay. Shall I read question 1? Okay. See, what is the question 1? I use my dash dash to walk to school. Yes, tell me. I use my dash dash to walk to school. Which body part help you to walk? Yes, tell me. Hand. With the help of hand you walk? No. Then legs. Correct. We use legs to walk. So what you will write here? Legs. See, find out the spelling of leg from this help box. K-N-E-E-S. Legs होता है? No. Then L-E-G-S. Legs. Correct. Right here. L-E-G-S. Legs. Okay, done. Now repeat. I use my legs to walk to school. Done. Write with me. Next, I nod my dash dash to say yes or no. Suppose children, if you want to say yes or no without talking, then which body part help you? Yes, tell me which body part helps you to say yes or no? Correct. I nod my dash dash to say yes or no. Like this, with the help of head, we can say yes or no. Like this, we can nod our head. So write here H-E-A-D, head. Read the words while writing. Next, I use my dash dash to clap. Tell me which body part you use to clap. With the help of your legs you clap? No. Then correct. Hands. I use my hands. What is the spelling of hand? H-A-N-D-S. Hand. See, it is given here. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. I use my hands to clap. Next question. I bend my dash dash to sit on the floor. Yes, what is the answer? You can tell me. See, this has gone, this has, and this has also gone. Then what is the remaining? Knees. So it is simple. I bend my knees. K-N-E-E-S. Knees. I bend my knees to sit on the floor. Done. Next question. Question B. Fill in the missing letters to know the words. See, here some boxes are given and some boxes are blank. In those blank boxes, we have to write correct letter to make a meaningful word or to get the correct answer. Okay? See, we see with the help of. Yes. Which body part help you to see the things? Correct. Eyes. Eyes help to see the things. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Now, you have to fill the correct letter here. See, already E is given. Then what will come after E? Y. So, write here Y. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Done? Come to the next question. We fill with the help of. How do you fill? Yes, correct. We fill with the help of skin. Right? Already S is given here. S, K, I, N, skin. S, K, I, N, skin. We fill with the help of skin. Next question. We hear with the help of what? Which body part help you to hear the sound of different things? Eyes? No. Then tongue? No. Very good. We hear with the help of ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Done? Now, see the next question. Question C. What is the question? Answer in one or two words. Here, two questions are given and you have to write the answers of this question only in one or two words. Okay? Shall I read question number 1? See, what is the question? Name any one sense organs. You have to write here name of any one sense organ. Can you tell me how many sense organs are there in our body? Yes, there are 5 sense organs in our body. Which are those 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. From those 5 sense organs, you can write the name of any one sense organ here. Whatever you like, you can write. See, I will write here. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. You can write ear, nose, tongue or skin. No problem. See, question number 2. Which sense organ helps us to smell? Tell me. Which sense organ helps us to smell? Very good. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Nose helps us to smell. Done? Shall I go ahead? Okay. See the last question given on this page. See children, write the names of the parts in the boxes given. See, here face is given and boxes are given, but those boxes are blank. So we have to write the names of those which parts are pointed here. We have to write the names of those parts in these boxes. Okay. See children, first part. Can you tell me which part is this? Which is this part? Correct. This is forehead. So write here F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. Done. Next, which is this part? Ear. Very good. Right. E-A-R, ear. Next, which is this part? What we call to this part? Cheek. Correct. Write the spelling of cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Every time I am telling you while writing each word, read those words. So you will not make any mistake. What is the spelling of cheek? C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Next, what we call to this part? What is the name of this part? Chin. Right. C-H-I-N, chin. Done. Next, what is this? Eye. Very good. E-Y-E-I. Next one, which is this part? Mouth. Correct. Right. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Done. See, this is ear, E-A-R, ear. Next, cheek, C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Next one, chin, C-H-I-N, chin. Next one is forehead, F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. Next, eye, E-Y-E-I. And last one is mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Done. Now open next page, page number 179. Have you opened this page? Shall I read the question? See, question E, get busy. The grid below has the names of the parts of a face. See, here one grid is given, and in this grid some names of parts of face are hidden in this grid. Find them. We have to find those parts from this grid. Next, circle the words you have found in the word box. Whatever the names of parts are hidden in this grid, we have to find out those and we have to make circle around them. One has been done for you. See, one example is given here. N-O-S-E, nose. It is given here. Okay. Now next part we have to search in this grid. So first we will find out eyes. What is the spelling of eyes? Read here. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Now find out that word in this grid where it is. E-Y-E-S, eyes. First. Got it? Yes, I got the word eyes in the grid. Shall I tell you? Look here. This is E-Y-E-S, eyes. You also make the circle around that word. Done? Very good. What is the next word? It has already done. Next word we will find out. Lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Find out. Got it? Yes, I will show you. See here. L-I-P-S, lips. Done? L-I-P-S, lips, it is done. Next word, ears. We have to find out the word ears. Where is that word? Find out. See, it is here. E-A-R-S, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Got it? Very good. Next, M-O-U-T-H. We have to find out this word. Where it is? Find out. Where is M? The first letter of the word is M. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. So find out in the grid. Where is the letter M? Yes, I got it. M. Now see, vertically after M-O is there? No. So it will be not here. See here, after M, what is there? O. Correct? No? M-O-U-T-H. See, it is here. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. So do circle. Done? See, things to do. How good are your eyes? See, here we have to find how good our eyes are. See what is given here. Look at the frogs carefully. These are two frogs. Look at to them carefully. Can you tell which frog has a wider mouth? Just observe the pictures of those frogs and tell tiny or wonky. This is tiny and this is wonky. Measure each smile with a ruler. What did you find? This is for you. You have to do it. See, this is the tiny face and this is wonky face. Take your scale, measure their smile and find out whose smile is wider. Okay? You do it yourself. Now, everybody come to the next page, page number 180. Here also, I will just explain you what to do exactly. Do it by yourself. Okay? See, one activity is given on this page. What is given? Name the sense organs that will be used in each of the following case. See, here you have to name the sense organs that will be used in each case. Some cases are given here, and in that cases, which sense organs are useful to us, you have to name. You have to just name. Don't no need to write the names of those sense organs. See, ice is cold. So which body part will help you to tell this ice is cold? Yes, correct. Skin. Next, the elephant is big. The phone is ringing. The flower smells sweet. The candy tastes sweet. you have to tell the names of these sense organs to your parents. Otherwise, whoever will take your study, tell the answers of these sense organs to them. Okay? See what is given next. In the space given below, draw a face and label the sense organs. Here space is given for you. What you have to do here? You have to draw face. You can draw? Yes, you have to draw the face and you have to label the sense organs, only sense organs, not other parts. Only you have to label the sense organs on that face. Okay, children? Now, everybody just keep the pencil in your book and close your book. Okay? Now listen to me. Here we have finished our lesson number 2, that is my body. Okay? In short, once again I will tell you what we have learned in this lesson. In the lesson my body, we have learned body parts, their names, the uses of body parts, then parts of face and the sense organs. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Which are those? Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. And all these sense organs are helpful to us. Eyes help us to see, ear help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste the things and skin help us to feel. This much we have learned in this lesson. Okay? So you have to first read out the lesson, learn the names of body parts, their uses, okay? Parts of face and the sense organ. Got it, children? Whatever we have learned in this lesson? Okay. So today we will stop here and we will meet in the next session with a new lesson. Till that, take care, children. Bye.